Sunrise Boss Production.
This will turn you full Jamaican.
When you say turn a full Jamaican?
Me never had an accent before me drink. Let me take one shot. Full yard it be.
Yeah man, a full, you turn full yard man, so you take one shot.
Full yard man style.
Yeah man.
Ray and nephew.
In a real life.
Ray and nephew.
Yeah man, see you in less than 10 minutes. Fully active. Yeah man. In a real life. Yeah peeps, big up on yourself whether on the yard or abroad, you know. Sunrise Boss Yardman tour. Right now what time you know? 11 minutes past 11 in a real life at that time there, you know. 11 minutes past 11 PM, and you know say a road where I go. Yeah man, pick up your guest then you know and do road. You see pre. Yeah man, Jenna, you short me. Active. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, walk come up. Me walk come off a hill now. Actually, me in a car. I go reverse. Yeah, man. Alright. Yeah, peeps. So, I say, I know, I pick up the guests them and drive for them car. Yeah, man, I park my car and drive for them car and I go up on the street and all. So, I show you some local street vibes I walk on, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, in a real life, now I'm making you see walk on in a street in Jamaica in a real life. Yeah, man, so stay tuned for that. Put the car in a reverse and do my thing. So, whenever I reach around where I guess them there, I make you see walk on. You know, you must see me already. But yes, the late night spot peeps. If you know the watch you know where I want food in Senate, you know, if you come sideways, Shades nightclub, or there's a restaurant there. So you know, say, I make them get some food and how to eat, because after we go sea today and do a whole heap of adventure. Yo, all the adventure at the sea.
Bro, I can't even explain it.
Yeah. Nice dog round here fighting for bone. Yeah man, nice.
Bro,
man.
we gotta cut that part out. I think I just jumped. But now we are gonna leave it for the content.
Yeah man. So right now I food shop with us, so we're gonna see what them have inside. And then I put in get some curry goat.
Yes. Good.
Yeah man, we say about Jamaica food. But say food active.
Best food ever. Best fruit punch ever.
Yeah,
in Jamaica, everything is good.
Everything is good.
Nothing is bad.
Nothing is bad. Yeah, that's fully active. You want to see for more on a piece. For more on that, so make you see now. Yes, yeah, everybody active. Wait on 2 more to come. Yeah man, wait on 2 more. Fully active. Everywhere Jamaica you go see dog, you know. Yeah, that's a dog. Boss, I mash up the curry.
What you got, oxtail?
No, that's pork.
Pork?
Yeah man, brown stew pork. Yeah man, that's pork.
With pasta?
Yeah man, with pasta.
Oh, this is the same place you got the food from yesterday, right?
No. Look look at my place. My plate almost empty piece. Me not wrong. No.
You get it all.
Boom.
Yeah.
It's empty. Simple the best.
Trash can somewhere?
Yeah, you have one inside.
Sunrise.
It done.
You just said, look.
Yeah, one.
I thought something happened, bro.
It's not the mirror though.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
No. I ate as much as I could.
Yep. Everybody full joy themselves.
Yours?
Yeah, look in it. Nothing, man. No mash it up, man. I don't play.
Kareem, how you know what I was finna do?
You gotta feed the dogs. That's why she asks.
Real love animal.
You do.
Yeah, man.
Feed the Jamaican dog.
She's gonna feed the dogs. Some eating left. That's nice. Enjoy the meal.
Oh, they bougie. They don't want it.
Yeah, peeps. So you know I think that fully active yard man style with us there now for we carry back a whole lot of cool vibes. Carry back our table, eat some food and we do some stuff you know and get some things ready to go up on the road. Party for the rest of the night, you know, run after 12 you know. Yeah man, in a real life, everything active outside. Yeah man, we don't eat the food and now, so we are going to lift clutch from that spot here now. And hopefully we find a roadside party. If we don't find a roadside party, you know, we have to find a club. Fully active, we now go in, we outside. Yeah man, outside. Outside with them. And as I say, you know, I left my car at the Airbnb and I drive with this them car cars. The light affect them at night time when I come on to driving. And same way for day, same way me do driving phone so when I can rent the car and I do the driving if I don't want to drive a Jamaica. But nice if I come a yard I still don't do look driving, but any little far distance to know I go and you can link me in a real life. Yeah, I'm on a club, we reach and run a piece because I can't find another party, you know, so you know, so the club we there now. Club we there. Fully active. Yo, I say last night we full joy ourselves for the club. Could show you that because you don't know we can't show you the females and my dance, you know what I mean? In a real life. But right now, I'm on my way, you know. I drive go back which part of my stay because you know the next morning, beautiful morning at Jamaica, so we are going to touch out on the street, we want to go to the beach. Yo, all the things we want to do, so just stay tuned, like up the video, remember, share, subscribe, you know what I mean? In a real life, so I'm going to go over which part them there, stay here now, and then we make you see fullness of what go on in a real life. Yeah, we make you guess them there now. You know, so my brother just let me off active. So I go over where he gets them there now. Take up it. Yeah man, I go drive out the car and now because I guess them supposed to wait for me in a real life. Yeah man. So you know, so a nice place that around here so where people can stay, but you know, the part Airbnb is it. Well, nice, you have the AC, hot water, internet, everything. But as I say, you know, the part Airbnb, so if you want this to book, you have to check man like a sunrise boss in a real life. Yeah, man, so I go on. Yeah, man, all of them room the for rent. $50 room. Active.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man. Fully
active.
Yep. In the morning, yeah man, so I reach now in a real life. So you line up and I go up on the beach. Because them say they want to use the beach also. Them say they must want some breakfast, porridge and soup and patty. So I touch the street now. Yeah man, fully active.
Fully.
Morning.
Morning.
Yeah, man.
Y'all ever want a nice little spot to stay in Ocho? You know what I'm saying?
In St. Mary. Yeah.
St. Mary?
Nice spot.
Not on Airbnb, but real nice, real cheap.
Yeah, man. I tell him, so I gotta check Sunrise Boss for that so I can. I couldn't know what I'm going whenever I'm ready to do some bookings.
And it worked out great.
Yeah, man. In a real life.
AC, Wi-Fi jumping, everything good. Yeah.
Everything good. Yeah, man. So you know we just there and now I go. Then I pack up them stuff and something. See car, load up the car and then go up on the road, stop at the beach, make you see what go on in a real life. But otherwise everything active, man. Nice place, as I say. Check Sunrise Boss if you want to do some bookings here, so you know what I mean? Yeah, man, we can give you the link. A room them nice. We have them have some small room up at top, you know, them have bigger room, bigger money. Yeah. Yeah, man, so I go on, yeah. In a real life, family room, you know, peeps, 2 room, one yes, and one more the round this. And you have some room that separate also, separate room, separate room, separate room. But show 4 of them, they just get the room that are 2. Them just get the building that are 2 room, you see it, and 1 bathroom. So it's a 2 room, 1 bathroom. But otherwise, every room have them bathroom. But this is just for a family room, you see it? That are 3. Yeah, man. So catch you when you reach out on the beach. Where you say ready for the beach?
I'm ready.
Yeah, man, ready for the beach. Yeah, man, she pack bag and dress up and everything, so she ready for the beach. Yep. Yeah, everybody coming out, so soon time for we to go. In a real life. Yeah, look at that, peeps.
This?
At what time in the morning now? Look what you have in your hand. Let me see what time, peeps. It's 9:22. And look what you have in your hand.
This will turn you full Jamaican.
When you say turn a full Jamaican?
We never had an accent before me drink. Let me take 1 shot. Full yard it be.
Yeah, man, you turn full yard man if you take 1 shot.
Full yard man style.
Yeah, man.
Ray and nephew.
In a real life.
Ray and nephew.
Ray and nephew. It have 63% alcohol.
God damn.
Get them.
Oh shit. But this shit can run your car, bro. We run out of gas, we gonna pour this shit in here. It's gonna drive.
Yeah, peeps in a real life, man. The Ray and nephew.
Oh shit. I need a cup.
Yeah, you want a cup?
Oh damn, and then you don't want to drink this shit straight anyway.
That's why I say I don't know what you doing a while ago. If you drink that straight, peeps, it's gonna cut your heartstring. I joke, man, you know, cut your heartstring, but they're easier for frost. It's like how you can drink the NOC by just taking 2 shots
Couple
or 1
shots, yeah.
shot. You can't do it with the rum. It's more harder because when it touch your throat, it have that
Burning there. That,
yeah, you have that burning.
that cutthroat sensation.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. You ready?
That is it, man. So you know what I mean? I'm gonna do the driving. Yeah, man. When I'm ready, me ready. Yeah, man. That pork man now. We have to go on the ATM, get some breakfast and something. Then I go up on the Western Union. No, this is not the Western Union. This is just the bank, right? Yeah. Yeah, man. So I go out there now. So I go and pork my road there. Yo, people come up and see machine load and everybody stand up out there and then you know say machine work. I come in and come test you and it work. So watch when I go out and tell him, say, yo, the machine work, you know? Do it, jam, yeah, press small and out. Yeah. Yeah, man, so I will try and go out there and surprise them. Yeah, man, we need the system, man. Okay, yeah. Yeah, man, so what I saying about there, man? Yeah, money counting out. Watch out now, I go down and tell them, say, in here work. Watch out and see the drama. They give over the card. That's that thing on it. Oh, get it. Oh. See, they have the card same way.
Oh shit.
See, you're good to go now. Yeah, this one giving cash, you know. Yeah, fully active. Oh, they decide of walk? Yeah, they gone at the Western Union, so we are gonna go up there, see? We skip out all the line, they think the machine not working and we go in there go check and it a work.
Yard
so we
man
beat the
style.
system, Yardman style, so instead they join the whole line. You have speed. The next guest them gone at the Western Union, so I'm gonna meet them and go back out that car. Fire! Fish man.
Alright, I gotta get something.
Oh, car over here. Yeah, man, the boss wants to out that car, please. Trust me to work. Yeah, man, good old Pork Marathon. Yeah, man, giant supermarket. Yeah, man, KFC.
Lock it up. That's a lot for KFC.
Huh?
That's a lot for KFC.
No, it don't work yet, so people waiting for it
Oh,
to
yeah,
open.
to be the first one.
Yeah, man.
Do you know about sleepless night and hopeless days?
Active now. Store. Oh, God. Bless.
I want to put black bread on it. They know who to ask.
Yeah, see, Jamaicans are not food, bro.
Yeah.
Them not gonna ask me, but them ask you, cause them see the foreign up on you. You see, pre. Yeah, man, it's juicy beef.
Oh, guava pineapple.
No loaf ready? Loaf ready? You know beef patty and orange juice. One more, and then two. How much? A 3 juice. How much juice I order? 2?
Yeah.
I'm gonna order orange
You are
juice.
one.
Yeah, and 2 of this. One of this. Yeah. Patty truck. Patty truck coming in.
Yeah. Would they come frozen?
Yeah, that me just a see. That me just a see some frozen then come. What kind of soup you have, me, Jenna?
Chicken boy.
Yeah, man. Yeah, porridge done? Yeah. Yeah, we can talk to him. Yeah, him. They have soup and they have porridge.
Oh, tell him some porridge.
Porridge for you?
Yeah.
What type of soup they have?
They have chicken with cow skin.
I'm finna get out.
Okay, yeah, you can get out. Ah. Yeah, she said she gonna want porridge soup.
Yes, we done.
I think they said they're coming out.
Yeah.
What you gonna take?
The only they don't got the chicken. They got chicken with
Cow skin.
cow head.
Skin.
Oh, cow skin.
Yeah.
You said head though.
Green, what you got?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. What are the soup? Or is it?
Everything in Jamaica is good. Nothing is bad.
Nothing is bad. Yeah, man. Bass fruit, bass.
Besides the potholes.
Beside the pothole. You don't like the potholes in Jamaica.
Too tired, bro. I done fucked up 2 tires since I've been here.
Well, I know you alone. I know enough tourists do that. Even we in Jamaica do it. Yeah,
He
and
went
she-
back. He
yeah,
went
yeah.
back to America.
Yeah. So we're heading to the beach now.
I should have got me.
Oh, that's why the porridge. Oh, you're drinking out the porridge. That's why I didn't see any cup in here in a while ago. I was looking. So where's your cup?
With the soup,
Yeah.
right here.
Oh, this is your soup. So yeah, man, we are heading the beach now.
I
So
ain't gonna
it's-
fuck the soup up now because we gonna drive.
Yeah, so it's good to go now.
Good to go.
All right, fully active. Yeah, man, fully active, you know, man. You know, say we're there at Paji Beach, you know. Yeah, man, we just sit on my beach and I go and relax while them the out in the water go and full jar themselves in a real life, fully active. Them done eat the fruits. Yeah, man, see there. There are some fruits left. And, you know what I mean? They want to beat this. The Ray and the nephew then start early. But they eat them breakfast first. Them drink porridge and then drink soup and then eat patty. I know them a drink and them do it in a water full jar themselves in a real life. Yeah, man, so I just there sit to that so everything go good. In a real life, you see free. The man just sit down and go and watch all of them belongings. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, while them out there go and full jar themselves. So just remember, you know, peeps, tell a friend, subscribe to the YouTube channel. In a real life right now, St. Mary me there. You don't know, so St. Mary are my place. Yeah, man. In a real life, yeah, man, the famous Paji Beach. Yeah, nice chill spot. Have a bar and you have bathroom also too. So just do the right thing. Like sunrise, you know, go on. And over there, so we have the island. Yeah, man. Also, we have tour available for the island. So if you don't want to tour the island like Sunrise Boss, know what go on. Whether you come from yard or you come from broad, just know what go on. Generally forward, same speed. Yeah, man. Fully active.
Look,
Yeah.
Right. He got something for you.
Oh,
Hey, it
yeah.
was dead in the water. I just picked it up.
Oh, yeah, man.
Like a fish ate him.
Yeah. Fully active, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, you know, we left St. Mary and right now I send her we there, you know, peeps. Cause you know, say the Padgy Beach, nice, but they must say it have a lot of sun, and I understand that. You see, through the wave come in and the beach full of sun, so you see the shallow part I got sunny in the water and they want crystal clear water, so you know what I do now. I bring them down Magani Beach where them can pay go in, them get a beach chair and them have bars, so if they want to mix liquor or whatever, them can also get it. You see pre, and them, if they want to ride like the sea bike, any little activity they want to do, it also do the Magani Beach. You see pre, so don't them I bring them in a real life. Fully active.
Yes, that is it.
That is it. Yeah man, fully active man. Yeah man, so right now we are going to enter. Make it turn off, you know.
What part of the beach was
Well, it's not far. The beach is right around the corner there. What you say you want to do rafting? Huh?
Yeah,
oh,
please,
tomorrow.
please,
Oh, tomorrow you leave
please.
tomorrow. Okay.
No, they ain't leaving them.
Yes, we are.
Yeah, tomorrow is Wednesday, you know.
Oh, haven't kept up with the days.
Yeah, I hear he said today is Monday and today is Tuesday. So today is no Monday, today is Tuesday, bossy.
You have not kept up with the
Yeah.
days.
Yeah. When you're in Jamaica, you know, you count back the days.
No.
When it's supposed to be in Tuesday, it's like Monday because you don't want to go home. So you get the days they mixed up. So okay, they want to do the rafting. So spend a little time at the beach and then go back to the rafting. So the beach and the salt water, the rafting and the fresh water, so you can get the fresh water now for wash off. Yeah, peeps. So we're on Pineapple Road. I go down there now. Yeah, we in Ochi now. Yeah, on Pineapple Road. We're going down Magani Beach. Yeah, you know, so we reach the beach. Actually, we're up on the driveway. I go down there now. So as soon as we reach on the beach, I make you see what I go on fully. Early, so I don't think it's full, and during the week now, today Tuesday, so I don't think a lot of people there. If on the weekend it's full of local, during the week you have 1 and 2 tourists. So let's see what I go on now. Fully active, see that big bus park up. So you know what that means, as I'm telling you. Yeah man, from big bus park up is the tourists. Yeah man. That is it, parking, go them say we forgot, so yeah man, we at Magani Beach. And that's how we reach. You see the beach down there clear. We're gonna go over here, get a parking lot.